Evaluate logistics. Transport effort is one of the most important key figures for evaluating production layouts. Select Evaluate Logistics to analyze the transport effort in regards to cost and distances. The diagram now shows the total distance for your logistics. Once you begin moving different objects of your layout, you will see how this impacts your logistics in the distance, but also in percentages gained or lost. After you establish a planning solution, you can reset the Evaluate Logistics function to measure the changes from this starting position. You can also use this function solely for certain product families. Additionally, you can analyze the associated cost with the logistics by pressing the two arrows in the top right corner. This is necessary for the comparison of different means of transport. However, the cost evaluation only works if you have entered corresponding cost rates for your different transport means categories in Logix.